Okay, just back from the pub. Let's draw some sketches. Yeah. Create a new document. Yeah. Create a new body in the document. That's an object that we can build up and link to other objects. Let's create a sketch in that on a plane. That one. Dude. Yeah. Let's create a shape. Brilliant. Shape is white. We don't want it white. We want it green. Green means it's fully constrained and is happy. White is unhappy. So let's say these two corners we want to be equal spaced by this line through the middle. So let's reflect those. Create a mirror, whatever it's called. Let's do the same with the vertical axes across the horizontal there. Mirror, mirror, mirror. There you are. Now we want an exact distance for that line. So let's do fixed a length of line distance, whatever that is. Yeah, distance 50 millimeters. Off we go. Let's do the same with that vertical line. Bang. 50 millimeters. 50 by 50. Brilliant. There's our sketch. Look at that. Nice. Let's extrude it by another 50 millimeters. There we go. We got a cube. Now let's, against that face, draw a circle straight through the middle of it. So another sketch on that surface. Now we're not in the center of the coordinate system now, but that's no problem. What we can do is we can bring some geometry in. So off of this surface, let's bring the whole lot in. The bottom doesn't matter too much, but there, now we've got some corner points. So let's create some construction geometry. This is not my normal screen size. I'm just doing this for recording, so it's a little bit awkward. So let's flip over from drawing mode to geometry mode. There we go, everything's gone blue, which means you can draw away and it doesn't affect extrusions and so on. So let's create some construction lines, so things that we're going to work things out from. So from the corners, let's figure out where the center is, which is there. And let's put a blob on that center. So this blob needs to be touching that line. So let's constrain it. And it also needs to be touching this line. Let's constrain it. Bang, everything's green again. Cool, let's flip back over to drawing mode. There we go, and let's draw a circle in the middle there. There we go. What radius does that have? Let's call it 10 millimeters. And we're done with that sketch. Look at that. On that surface we've got a sketch. Now, let's punch a hole through it. By default, 5 millimeters deep. What we want is it to go all the way through. There we go. Woo! All the way through. Cool. Let's curve these edges on this surface. So let's Control Shift. Oh, actually, let's exit the punch a hole through setting and try that again. Edges, 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 and let's bevel those. Where has my bevel gone in this really tiny screen? There it is. And let's bevel that 5 mils. Big bevel. Look at that, beautiful. How wonderful is that? And that's FreeCAD. Easy.